Hey guys, it's Henry here from HTP Boer Farming. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update on our herd. They seem to be doing well. Hey you guys. Yep, lots of fun here. No, they're doing very well. Growing up very good. Yeah. Climbing all over me. Having a good load of fun. Ow, that hurt. But yeah, little herd is growing. That little male on that side just can't keep himself in anymore. He's screaming at everyone and everything. Yeah, so this is what we're using to distribute the lime. So it's actually just a very old, we call it here a fine seed planter. All it is got holes in the bottom. It's got this lever here, pull it back, so it opens holes that align, and then whatever is inside starts flowing out. So yeah, this is very straightforward. It works pretty easy. Still need to go through it and fix it all, but yes, no, one day we'll get to that. So yeah, normal 3-point connection. I made my lifting arms myself as well, doing well. So yeah, no, let me show you the field. We started preparing the soil a while back for lucerne, alfalfa, depends on where in the world you're from. We in South Africa call it lucerne. But yeah, I started distributing all the lime. So next step will be to turn the soil and work the lime into the soil, get it all level, and see how much hay we can get off this alfalfa, or as we call it here, lucerne. But yeah, that's it. Have a good one, guys, and please subscribe and check out our channel. Give us a thumbs up and a comment. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, got the feed. You got your feed. You got your feed.